What a cool costume party! Smile!
Viv, you have a really cool costume. Oh no! That's a real tickly zombie!
Wow, awesome costumes! You can't talk. Are you full of sweets? Do you need to get them? Okay, I'll help. Stop! You can only jump on cookies! Jump now! What shall we do? Jump or wait? Wait and then jump! Oh no! The last cookie's floating away! Yay! We did it! Oh no! You're real tickly zombies! Run! We need to hide! Run! Where can we hide? Maybe we can hide in this house? No! There's a tickling zombie inside! Can we hide in the maintenance hole? No! There's a tickling zombie inside! Can we hide in the dumpster? Yes! We'll hide in the dumpster! Yeah! Looks like I only have one option.
Tickle zombies. No more tickling. Danny? Why are you wrapped in toilet paper?
It's a long story. Popcorn tastes better. Yeah! Ooh, ice cream tastes better. Eating cold food is bad for your health.
Yeah.
Too hot, and you might get burned.
Yo.
Yeah.
Ri. Ya. Cold and heat are very dangerous to mess with. Murri.
It's hot. Don't touch it. Ah. Oh. Blow on it before you eat. Who?
Huh? Don't touch the hot iron.
Time for a bite.
I wanna tickle, tickle. Ha 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 ha. I will make you giggle. La 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 la. Let's have fun a little. Ha 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 ha. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Ha 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 ha. Tickly, tickly, tickle. La 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 la. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickly, tail! I've broken my tail!
It's not your tail! It's my doll!
Ew. Ugh. Oh, don't cry! I know how to fix it. Huh? Okay, the doll has a left hand, right hand, left foot, right foot, and a torso, head, and hair.
But there are more pieces than I need! Which one should I choose? Take the left and right green hands, those legs, and the head,
And a torso?
Now my doll looks like a monster!
It's just that these legs don't look similar to the arms. Take those green ones. And that hair. Done!
Huh? Oh no! My doll has turned into a zombie!
Run!
Another zombie! Now there are 2 zombies!
Now there's 1, 2, 3 zombies! Run!
No! It's too scary, I can't!
It's okay to be afraid, as long as you don't let your fear stop you. Great! Now we're gonna stop them. Let's find something to block their way with. A pot with a flower, a barrel, a cactus, a watering can.
A pot with a flower? No, they'll break the pot! Run!
Don't worry. Fear just tells you how not to make a mistake.
Oh, well, a barrel. No, they can climb over the barrel.
Don't worry. You're stronger and braver than you think. Use the watering can in the flower.
I know what to do. If you water the flowers, they'll grow faster.
We did it! But now we have to run!
My doll is running away! How do we get it back?
This is the wand of courage. It will help us to return your doll.
Do I need to put these things in the right order?
Yes.
But if I make a mistake, the wand will be destroyed. It's scary.
Viv, remember, fear is your ally.
Okay, I'll try. Well, this is not helping. I get it. First this one, and then that one.
You did it! The doll has stolen the wand of courage!
We must show our courage to get it now. Okay, let's see. Let's put these 3 pieces here.
We're gonna get fried like this. Try again.
Oh, sorry. So, how about this? Oh, sorry. I get it. Can't we just use all the parts at once? I'm scared. But now I realize that fear is good. Fear tells us how to avoid danger.
Yes, that's my Viv. Go! Now we can get your doll back to normal. Let's go home?
I refuse. I'd rather move on this. Now I'm not scared at all.
I wanna tickle, 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 tickle. Ha 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 ha. I will make you giggle. La 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 la. Let's have fun a little. Ha 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 ha. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Mercury so little. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Venus reflects the sunlight. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Earth is our planet. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Moon is our satellite. I wanna tickle, 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 tickle. Ha 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 ha. I will make you giggle. La 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 la. Let's have fun a little. Ha 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 ha. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Blue, Mars is red. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Jupiter's the biggest. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Ticka, ticka, tickle. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Saturn has rings around it. I wanna tickle, 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 tickle. Ha 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 ha. I will make you giggle. La 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 la. Let's have fun a little. Ha 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 ha. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Uranus spins on its side. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Neptune is cold like ice. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Ticka, ticka, tickle. Tickly, tickly, tickle. The sun is the hottest, that's right. Who's there? Huh? Aha! Huh? Where is my lollipop? Huh? Here's my lollipop. Whew. Huh? Where's my lollipop? Let's find it. Is my lollipop here? Or there? Where is it? Yes, it's on the roof. Ooh. Ah! A dragon! A girl! Ah! You took my lollipop. A lollipop? Oh no! My yummy lollipop! Oh, I'm sorry. I have an idea. Let's make a new lollipop in the Sweet Kingdom. My name is Danny. I'm Viv, and let's start the game. Look, a chest! A chest! Jump! Watch out! It's a slime! Slimes like ice cream too. Jump!
Here's the lollipop. Ew, no flavor. I don't like lollipops with no flavor.
Okay, let's go to the flavor world.
Huh?
Let's add flavor to your lollipop.
Start! It's broken.
Look, the colors of the fruits are all mixed up.
Let's fix the colors. Let's start. Strawberry is red.
Yay!
Orange is orange.
Hey!
Lemon is yellow.
Huh? Hey!
Apple is green.
Hey! Correct! Oh, yay! Let's add flavor to your lollipop. Strawberry, orange, lemon, apple. Oh, what flavor do you want?
I want to make a special lollipop.
Oh, yes, I know what you want. Ice cream, and this, and that one. Whoa! Oh, wow, you didn't tell me you're a dragon, too. Whoop.
I don't like spicy and bitter lollipops. I like sweet and sour lollipops.
Sweet and sour. Yes, chocolate's very sweet, and raspberry is sour but yummy. Hey!
Yummy, it's chocolate. Really sweet. And raspberry, wow. Raspberry is really sour but so nice. Thank you, Danny.
I'll see you again. Bye, Viv.
Huh?
What happened? Huh?
I'm afraid to treat my teeth. No, that's an eye.
Huh?
No, that's an ear.
Huh?
Yes! Those are teeth! Ugh. Huh? Ah!
Oh, wait! Isaac, reach your teeth!
Huh? Oh. Where are we?
We are in the magical world of teeth. Huh?
You don't take care of your teeth.
It's a tooth bacterium! Run! Careful! Bacteria like sweets! To the left! To the right! Great job! Healthy food makes teeth stronger! Take the apple! It's healthy food!
Phew! Why did we come to the tooth world?
The Tooth Queen will give you healthy teeth. The Tooth Queen lives there.
Did you hear that?
What happened?
I wanted to bathe in mouthwash. But I confused mouthwash with soda. And soda has caused caries.
We should help this tooth.
Huh? I have an idea. We should separate mouthwash from soda. It's there.
Goodbye, harmful soda. Hello, useful mouthwash. Mouthwash is not enough.
Toothbrushes. We should clean the tooth from all sides.
You saved me! Thank you!
Could you help us get to the Tooth Queen?
This is the road to the Tooth Queen.
Thanks,
Bye.
Is that dental floss?
Yes, dental floss protects teeth.
Look, we have to open the lock.
Huh?
The shark has a lot of teeth.
Ah.
The rabbit has 2 large teeth. Wrong.
Oh.
Rabbit's teeth are not that big. The bat has sharp fangs.
Huh?
The elephant has big tusks.
Eee!
Huh?
Oh, we have a request, Tooth Queen.
Could you give me healthy teeth, please?
Yes, your baby teeth are bad. But the time for molars has not come yet. I can take these teeth, but you'll be toothless.
Thanks, but I will try to cure these teeth. Now I know that teeth need a toothbrush, mouthwash, dental floss, and healthy food. Open the portal and let's get out of here. Huh? Treat my teeth, please.
Let's freeze your tooth. Let's brush your teeth. Let's remove your caries.
Today, I'm your tooth fairy.
Now only healthy food for my teeth.